3 is the ultimate DIY machine because of its unmatched versatility. Multitask with the convenient dual carriage. Cut over 100 materials including vinyl, cardstock, paper, and fabric. Let the Cameo's auto blade system adjust your blade depth for you. Cut materials up to 2 millimeters thick, like leather and craft foam, with the Silhouette Deep Cut blade. Cut straight from a vinyl roll without a mat to accommodate your biggest ideas. Cut any font on your computer. Perfectly cut any printed image. Sketch a design with pens or markers. Create custom apparel. Personalize a party. Give your home decor a signature look. Build 3D projects. Cut fabric and save time doing it. Decorate with vinyl decals. And much, much more. With the Cameo, it's never been easier to create your DIY masterpiece.